If you're ready to take your contracting business to the next level, securing your general contractor's license is your first big move. I'm Roselle with Contractors Liability, and today we're diving into everything you need to know to get licensed in Alabama. Whether you're just starting out or aiming for bigger projects, these steps will set you up for success. So let's get started. Your future in construction begins now. In Alabama, general contractors licensing are regulated by the Alabama Licensing Board of General Contractors. This board ensures contractors meet specific qualifications to maintain safety and quality in the construction industry. Whether you're working on residential, commercial, or industrial projects, having the proper licensing is a legal requirement. So here's what you will need to get started with. First, determine the type of licensing you need. Alabama offers several categories such as general contractors licensing for projects over $50,000 or a subcontractor licensing for jobs over $50,000 that involves specific fields like plumbing or electrical work. Selecting the right category ensures you're authorized to handle the projects you plan to pursue. Next, you'll need to meet certain eligibility requirements. This includes demonstrating at least 3 years of experience in construction and passing 2 exams, the business and project management exam and the trade-specific exam. These tests confirm your knowledge of industry standards, safety, protocols, and state regulations. Now, let's talk about documentation. You'll need to submit a detailed application along with the following: a $300 application fee, proof of net worth of at least $10,000 verified by a CPA, general liability insurance with minimum coverage of $300,000, and workers' compensation insurance if you have employees. Now, here's an example of the insurance certificate you will need. This document not only meets state requirements, but it also reassures your clients that your business is protected against any incidents on the job. It's a vital part of building trust and securing contracts. Once your application is complete, submit it to the Alabama Licensing Board for General Contractors. After approval, your license will be issued, allowing you to legally operate and take on larger, more lucrative projects in the state. Keep in mind, licensing in Alabama must be renewed annually, so stay on top of your renewal date to avoid penalties or delays. And that's the roadmap to getting your general contractor's license in Alabama. With the right license in hand, you're ready to expand your business and take on bigger projects with confidence. If you need help with your insurance or have questions about the process, click the link in the description to get a free quote today. For more detailed guidance on the application process, check out the full blog linked below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more contractors tips, and drop any questions you may have in the comments. Thanks for watching, and here's to your success in Alabama.